Good morning, students. Today we will study the cell organelles in algae, the gas vacuoles. These gas containing cavities are the characteristics of the mature, healthy cells of Cyanophyceae. They occur as a stack of small transparent cylinders of uniform diameter. Their walls are freely permeable to gases. They render buoyancy to phytoplanktonic form. They also act as a screen against the intense light. Next organelle is the pigment. Algal cell have a characteristic color due to the presence of combination of pigment specific to the each classes. In all cases except Cyanophyceae, these pigments are present within a membrane-bound organelles known as plastids. In blue-green algae, the pigments are concentrated in the peripheral cytoplasm known as the chromoplasm. Plastids are the following type. Two types. They are leucoplast and chromoplast. Leucoplasts are the colorless plastids. Chromoplasts are the colored plastids. These containing both the chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B are called the chloroplast, and those lacking chlorophyll B as a chromoplast. Different forms of chromoplast occur in algae. The following are the main types. Cup-shaped, example in Chlamydomonas and Volvox. Discoid in case of Vaucheria cara and centric diatom. Girdle shape in Eulothrix. Reticulate in case of Odogonium, Hydrodictyon and Cladophora. Spiral type of plastids in case of Spirogyra, stellate in example in Gymnema. The various types of pigments found in the algal cell are given below. They are the chlorophyll. There are 5 types of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll A, B, C, D and E. Of these, chlorophyll A is present in all the groups of algae. Chlorophyll B only in the Chlorophyceae and Euglenoophyceae. Chlorophyll C largely in algal of marine habitat, example in Phaeophyceae, Cryptophyceae, Bacillophyceae and Cryophyceae. Chlorophyll D in some red algae only as a trace constitute, and chlorophyll E in certain Xanthophyceae such as Vaucheria, Hermeta, etc. Xanthophyll. More than 20 types of xanthophylls are known. They are formed by the incorporation of molecular oxygen into the carotenoid molecule. Many xanthophylls common in the higher plant, lutein, violoxanthin, neoxanthins are found in the member of Chlorophyceae and Phaeophyceae. Fucoxanthin is the main xanthophyll pigment of the Phaeophyceae and diatom, whereas the mixoxanthin and oscillatory are found only in Cyanophyceae. Third is the carotenoids. These are the oxygen-free alicyclic compound composed of isoprene unit. The 5 types of carotenes occur in algae are alpha carotenes in Chlorophyceae, Cryptophyceae and Rhodophyceae, beta carotenes in all the algal group except Cryptophyceae, E carotene in Chlorophyceae, E carotene in Bacillophyceae, Phaeophyceae and Cyanophyceae, and flavinin in the member of Cyanophyceae. Phycobilins. These are the water-soluble complexes of proteins and bile pigments present in the photosynthetic tissue of plant. Phycobilins are red, that is the phycoerythrins. Blue is the phycocyanine pigments which are confined to Rhodophyceae and Cytophyceae respectively. They act as a light harvesting pigment in photosynthesis, and the light absorbed by them is transferred to chlorophyll A. Thus, like carotenes, phycobilins are the accessory pigments. Pyrenoids. Pyrenoids are the proteinaceous bodies present in the chromatophore. These organelles are considered to be associated with the synthesis and the storage of starch. In member of Chlorophyceae, pyrenoid are surrounded by starch plate, but in some algae such as diatom, they accumulate lipid instead of starch. Thank you.